In this video, I will explain you how to install the Car Simulator on an Ubuntu host system. For that, you can use Ubuntu 18 or 20. I will use Ubuntu 20. On my blog custombuildrobots.com, I published an ebook describing step by step how the installation goes. I will now open the ebook. The ebook consists out of two parts. The first part is describing how to install the Car Simulator on a Windows system or Ubuntu system, and the second part is describing how to build such a real car with an NVIDIA Jetson Nano. So I will scroll down a little bit. So first of all, we have an introduction, then how the project goes, what the differences are in artificial intelligence and learning, and then it starts with the Car Simulator part. We'll scroll down to page 15. There, the description starts for an Ubuntu installation. So first of all, you have to update and upgrade your Ubuntu system. I will make the browser window a little bit smaller and open a terminal window. So it's quite easy to follow the step-by-step guide. You only have to copy and paste those commands into the terminal window. Copy the next command. Not sure if there was a space. No, all right. Everything is up to date. Then I have described some tools I always install because I'm familiar with them. It's Nano, the text editor, the Midnight Commander for easily copying and moving, deleting, editing files, and also FFmpeg for video encoding, decoding, Samba as a network service to share files between the Linux system and Windows systems over the network, and also OpenSSH server. I already have installed those tools, so we could start right now with the installation of the Car framework. So first of all, we have to download Miniconda. Miniconda is a virtual environment in which we will install the Car framework. So we need a working directory in which we download everything. So I create it in the home directory, and I will call it new folder. And what's the name we use in the installation guide? It's called Car Sim. Car_sim. Alright, we create that. And we go up. And now we have to download Miniconda. Copy that command. Go into your terminal window. Go into the directory Car Sim. Paste in that command. And now download Miniconda. So you see, if I got an error message, I always describe that as well in the ebook and how to fix that error message. So I know for sure that we are not able to install Miniconda due to the fact that the rights of that downloaded files are not correct, so I paste in that command to change the permissions on that file. Done that, and then I will copy that command to install Miniconda. So, as written here, we have to press enter many times to read the Euler. Alright, then yes, that's fine. Okay, so where's the installation directory? Yeah, it's my user, T520 Miniconda. That's fine, I press enter. Now Miniconda gets installed. So, I always type yes, so that Miniconda is active when I restart my computer. That's fine. Here are also the commands how to deactivate that. The next command will start Miniconda, copy that, and look down to that line. So in the beginning there's the username T520 from my computer. So we paste in that command and then we will see there a small change. You see there's no base, so we know that we are in the virtual environment base. Alright, when we type in Conda, then we should get some information. Yeah, Conda is running. So inside the Miniconda installation, we will install also the Git client. Paste in that command. Normally it's, oh, we have to install it. Sometimes it's already here. So the next command is to download the Donkey Car framework itself. So we copy that one. Check that you're in the correct folder, in our working folder. We paste in that command and download the Donkey Car framework. cd is change directory, so the next command would be to go directly into the Donkey Car folder. So we paste in that. Then we have to check out the Git repository as master branch. Paste in that. Alright. So we have here the next command that will install our needed dependencies packages in our virtual environment Donkey. So I know for sure we have to check that Ubuntu YAML file first. So as I told you, I like the Midnight Commander, so I type in MC to start the Midnight Commander. Then we see the file structure here, so I go down with the arrows on my keyboard in the install directory, then in the virtual environments directory, and here we have the ubuntu.yml file. With F4 we will edit that one, so it's the first time I do that. I like Nano as a text editor, so I select Nano. And that all the dependencies which will be installed. Next, I know that Conda has a problem with TensorFlow 2.2.0, so I will change that to 3.0. Save that. Check it, everything was saved. Yes, so go out, press F10. Oh, that don't work here. So go down there, quit. the Midnight Commander, and then we have the next command. I will copy and paste into the terminal window, and that will last, I think, 15 or 20 minutes. We have to wait until the installation is finished. Now the installation of our Donkey Car environment is finished, and we are now able to activate the Donkey Car environment with Conda Activate Donkey. If you want to see which Conda environments are already available on your system, you could use that command, paste it in here, and then we should see the base environment as well the Donkey environment. So we will activate the Donkey environment command, copy that command, paste it in here. You see it switched from base to Donkey, and now we are inside our Donkey environment. If you want to remove one environment, if there's a failure inside that, you can use the following command. Now we will install the Donkey Car framework itself inside our virtual environment Donkey. Be sure that you are in the folder Donkey Car Sim, Donkey Car. Paste in that command and press enter. Now the Donkey Car framework is installed. The next thing we have to do is to download the extension for the Donkey Car Simulator. You do that with the following command from the Git repository. Go one level up with cd space ... Paste in the command, press enter, and now the Donkey Car extension for the simulator is downloaded. Go into that folder, cd, gym, press tab, then the folder name is auto-completed, and then install the extension for the simulator. So copy that command, paste it in here, and press enter. So some dependencies will be downloaded and installed automatically. We have to wait a few seconds. All right, here we are. Now we have to initialize our instance of the Donkey Car framework. We copy that command and paste it in, as always, into our terminal window. Okay, now our instance is created in the directory home. Username, for me it's T520, and inside the folder mysim. Now we have to download next from the Git repository the Unity environment, which offers us the simulator. So we will download the latest version for Linux. Press OK. It will take a few seconds. Then we go into our Explorer window, go into the folder Downloads. Have to wait until the download is finished. Okay, then we will extract that. Extract here, that's fine. No, it won't. Then we go inside that folder. Where's our home directory? Here we go to Donkey Car Sim and extracting it that way. All right, good. Then we go into the description and our terminal window. So go one level up with change directory ... then into the folder of our Unity simulator. I know that we are not able to execute it because of the file permissions. I will copy that command, paste it in here, change that. Need the password, okay. And now we should be able to execute the Unity simulator with that command. So it's opening on the second screen. So here we have it. It's a pandemic edition with 8 racetracks we are able to use to train our neural net and to race in later. So I will quit that. We now that it is running. Perfect. The next step is to do some configuration changes in the my config file. So we have to go into our home directory where we initialize the Donkey Car framework, and then we have to open with nano the my config file. It looks like that. So step by step I explained everything you have to change or to uncomment. So we have to scroll down, and there we have some auto create new tab entry. Where is it? Here it is. So we will remove that and type in true. That's very nice because every time when we start the Donkey Car framework, it will create a new folder and collect every training data in that new folder. So next we will activate the simulator. Do that this way, type in true. The next thing is we have to change the path where we have installed the Unity engine to its home. Then your username. Then the working directory. Oops, Donkey Sim. Then the name of the folder of the simulator was Donkey Sim Linux, and then the name of the executable of this one. So it is donkey underscore sim dot x86 underscore 64. Perfect. So the next change is the environment in which we will race. I like the warehouse racetrack, so I will use that one. It's on the right side. Oops. I will make the window a little bit bigger. Here we go. Type in donkey minus warehouse minus VO. So this line will change the color and the name of our donkey car. So I will change it to this one, to that one, and not sure what's going on if we make it that way. And the name is Ubuntu. and the size is 50. So the next lines are from interest if you are race against other neural nets, so I let it that way. And at the end we have to input one last change. It's that one, the AI throttle mode. So normally it causes an error if you don't do it. So change all the settings, and now we should be able to start our simulator. So the next chapters are describing how you could use a PS4 controller or something else to control your car, but it's not needed. We have a web interface. Here I describe how a neural net learns and how the drive loop works with creating new training data and so on. So that's the command we will now execute in our MySim folder to start the simulator. Hopefully we did everything correct. No, we didn't. So what's the error telling us? The path does not exist, so we made an error there. And we will go back into the my config file, check that. So what's wrong here? It's home. Oh, it's Donkey Car Sim. That was the error, I think. We will check it. Double Donkey Car Sim. Donkey Sim Linux, and then the name of the executable. So hopefully that was the problem. Oh, now I want to start the simulator once again, and here we are. So it looks good, it's booting up in the background. Then we need a new browser window and type in the local host, IP address, and the port. You see it right here. It's the port 8887. 8887, press enter. Yeah, here we are. Perfect, that's our interface with which we are able to control the car if we don't have plugged in a controller. So let me make it that way. And then you have three options here. User is if you control the car manually. Local pilot is if you have a already trained neural net and you want to self-drive the car around. Local angel is that the neural net you have already trained will control the steering angel and you as a human accelerate the car. So joystick. And here you can select the gamepad if you have attached one. And now we can control our car. Oh, the color looks a little bit strange for me. All right, now you have a running Donkey Car Simulator. You can drive around, collect some training data. Everything is described in the ebook as well. We go back to the ebook. Where is it? I think it's here. So it's explaining that you have to drive around, how you stop the session when you want to stop collecting training data. And with that command, you start the training of the neural net with the name mypilot H5. If you have one trained, then you scroll down, there's everything explained. And here's a command how to start the simulator with the already trained neural net. It's Python manage pydrive. Model is the path where the neural net is saved to. And then you are ready to go, you have to change the selection to local pilot, and then your car starts driving around by itself. So hopefully you liked the installation description, and on the project homepage donkeycar.com there's a Discord channel. If you have questions, just go on community and then jump into the Discord channel to get answers to your questions. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope you enjoy the Donkey Car Simulator, and maybe you will build a donkey car by your own and race outside.